of Benin. Right now I am on my way to the popular Ogba Zoo and Nature Park. Fun fact about the park, guys. Ogba Zoo was created in 1965. It's one of Nigeria's top tourist destinations, according to the Minister of Information and Culture, Lai Mohammed. Ogba Zoo is located in Airport Road in Benin City, Edo State. It's home to various animals and bird species. I think they have lion, python, and so much more. We are going to find out shortly when we get there, guys.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see when your stars are burnt out, and your heart makes no
Guys, they are
sound.
observing street COVID-19 rules and regulation. So when you come here, you have to wash your hand here. See?
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds.
Hey guys, so first thing first, ticket is 500, yeah, per person. It used to be like 200, 150, especially during a non-festive period like this. So I don't know, somehow the price has gone up like every other thing else in Nigeria. So ticket is 500 naira per person, and this is very early in the morning, so I think it's only we that are here right now. We are the only tourists right here right now, but it's all good, it's all fine, it's cool. Abby?
You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Giant tortoise.
Night sky.
This is Mona monkey.
You'll always be my night sky.
He is so cute, man. Oh my god.
Night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely.
Hi guys. These are grey monkeys, and they are super duper cute. Yeah. Grey monkey.
Makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my.
He's trying to jump up. guys, so this is the monkey cage. There are 5 different type of monkeys. There are 5 species of monkey. There is white monkey, there is red monkey, and so on. This place that you are seeing right now is all about monkeys, and more monkeys.
And the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay.
Check this out, guys. This bed is so pretty. Oh my god.
The point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Guys, I'm not sure you guys can see the python from here. The cage is too tiny, so I can't film it very well. Well, there's a huge python there and he's sleeping.
You'll always be my night sky.
Guys, Ogba Zoo is huge, guys, very huge, and there are lots of animals here. You know, when I said I was going to come to Ogba Zoo, somebody told me that there's no animal in Ogba Zoo. That if you go there, you're only going to see goats and small animals that you see on a daily. That is a waste of time and everything, but I'm glad I came here regardless, because guys, there are lots of animals here, and truly I think more people need to come to Ogba Zoo to see. Just if you are a lover of animal nature, come to Ogba Zoo, guys. Favor, what do you think so far?
Very fun.
It's fun. Even though Favor is scared of python, guys, Favor refused to go to where python is. Let me show you her face. Guys, Favor refused to go to where python is.
Because I'm scared.
Like, is the python coming out to catch you or
I
something?
don't want it to eat me raw. I still have a long way to go.
She's scared of python, she's scared of lion. What are you not scared of?
I'm scared of cute rabbits.
Guys, Mirabe is guys, Mirabe is like a worker in this place. She comes here so frequently. They need to give you like a ambassador or something. Mirabe was the person that told me, don't listen to those people, there are animals there. I go there very often. You see animal, just go, look at her.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Look at my sister, guys. Look at my sister.
Hello.
Look at my sister. Can your sister ever? Aina. So where is the animal, guys? Oh, there she is. She's sleeping. Come on, Aina, wake up. Hello, you have visitors. This is baboon. Where is the baboon now? Wow, look at them, look at them.
Always be my night sky.
That's the king of the jungle, guys. Oh, hey, the king. I was going to feed more penguins, but they said don't feed the animals. So I'm eating my thing. Obey simple instructions. Obey rules and regulations. Don't feed the animals. Okay. I feed myself. Okay. My elder brother doesn't know I'm filming him. If he knows, he will not stay on the camera, guys. If there's one thing about Ogba Zoo, guys, it's the fact that it is big. I'm not sure you can even walk the length and breadth of the zoo. This is where we came from.
The dark gets lonely. Now I see violet. I can feel
And if you go down this, let's see what there is there.
in the dark, so that I see when your stars have burnt out.
Okay, it's their home.
And your heart
We are the
makes no
intruders.
sound.
I hope their rights does not include eating me, because that will be a violation of my whole rights. I didn't come here to be eaten by no animal, guys. Number one, you can see animals. Number two, you can take a walk in the park. Number three, you can buy stuff.
So loud when you go, I just stay.
This is try this.
So much fun, girl.
I know if you try this, you will have much fun.
Okay, this is fun now.
Hey guys, so these are the two type of people you see in every event. This class one, this one set of the people, and when you look over there, you see the other set of people. Category 1, category 2, the one that are catching fun, and the ones that just want to go home. So guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Guys, what do you say to our viewers?
Subscribe and ring the bell. I want to post to be the first to see.
Somebody's falling down. One man down, man down, man down, man down. Ambulance.
I know if it
Guys, another thing that you can do in Ogba Zoo is you can hop on a swing like my people are doing. The other thing that you can do in Ogba Zoo is play a game.
The more you play, the more you win. Play 20 naira. Hey, Africa basketball. Top 1, top 2. No, this one we feel like this. Hey, nearly. Hey. The more you play, the more you win. No. Hey!
He won! He won! He won!
Yes.
He won! Yeah! He won! He won! Yeah!
This life never give up. After 5 years, 5 years of hard work, 5 years of total dedication, we finally won.
Oh, never give up.
Moral of this: never give up in anything you do. Motivational speaker.
Hey guys, so that is it from Ogba Zoo, a nature park. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video the thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you think about it. Guys, if you like this video, it will help me to get more people to view it, and I am extremely grateful for that. Guys, let me know what you think about Ogba Zoo. Is it a place that you would love to come and see? Of course, I highly recommend that you come here. It's a great spot to just relax and learn and unwind. So do check out Ogba Zoo if you happen to be in Benin. Ooh, I'm not sure the animal that is shouting, but let's go home, guys.